Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English podcast.
Hi everyone, this is James.
And this is Isabella.
Today we are learning English for the coffee shop.
Yes, Master Coffee Shop English.
Easy conversation for beginners.
If you are new to English, don't worry.
We will speak slowly.
We will use simple words.
And we will practice real-life English.
Imagine this.
You walk into a coffee shop.
You see the menu.
You talk to the barista.
You order your coffee in English.
Today, you will learn how to do that.
First, let's start with greetings.
Listen and repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Very good.
Now let's enter the coffee shop.
Hello. Welcome to the coffee shop.
Hello, thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks.
Repeat slowly.
Hello. Welcome to the coffee shop.
Hello, thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks.
Nice job.
Now let's look at the menu.
In a coffee shop, you see many drinks.
Coffee,
Latte,
cappuccino,
Americano.
tea,
Repeat after us.
coffee,
Latte,
cappuccino,
Americano.
tea.
Excellent.
Now let's order a drink.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a latte, please?
Can I have a latte, please?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Very good.
Always say please.
It sounds polite. Now let's make a short conversation.
Hello, what would you like?
Can I have a latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That will be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Now repeat slowly.
What would you like?
Can I have a latte, please?
Anything else?
No, thank you. Now let's talk about milk.
Many people like milk in their coffee.
Listen and repeat. With milk.
With milk.
Repeat.
With milk.
Without milk.
Without milk.
Repeat.
Without milk. Good.
Now let's talk about sugar. With sugar.
With sugar.
Repeat.
With sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Repeat.
No sugar. Very nice.
Now let's order coffee with milk and sugar.
What would you like?
Can I have a coffee with milk, please? Sure.
With sugar?
Yes, please. Repeat slowly.
Can I have a coffee with milk, please?
With sugar?
Yes, please.
Great job.
Now let's talk about size.
Small.
Small.
Repeat.
Small.
Medium.
Medium.
Repeat.
Medium.
Large.
Large.
Repeat.
Large. Excellent.
Now let's order with size.
What size would you like?
A medium latte, please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
With sugar?
No sugar, please. Repeat slowly.
A medium latte, please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
No sugar, please.
Very good.
Now let's learn an important question. For here or to go?
For here or to go?
Repeat.
For here or to go?
For here.
For here.
Repeat.
For here.
To go.
To go.
Repeat.
To go. Nice.
Now a full conversation.
Hello. What would you like?
Can I have a large coffee, please?
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
With sugar?
No sugar, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please. Repeat slowly.
Can I have a large coffee, please?
With milk?
No sugar, please.
To go, please.
Excellent work.
You are doing great.
Now let's talk about payment.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Repeat.
How much is it?
It's $5.
It's $5.
Repeat.
It's $5. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Repeat. Can I pay by card? Cash or card?
Cash or card?
Repeat.
Cash or card? Very good.
Now let's make another natural conversation.
That will be $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat slowly.
That will be $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Now let's talk about snacks and food.
In a coffee shop, you can buy food too.
Listen and repeat. Cake.
Cake,
Repeat.
cake,
Croissant.
croissant,
Repeat.
croissant,
Sandwich.
sandwich,
Repeat.
sandwich. Good.
Now let's order food.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, please. Can I have a croissant?
Sure.
Repeat slowly.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, please. Can I have a croissant? Nice job.
Now an important phrase.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Repeat.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
Repeat.
That's all, thank you. Very good.
Now let's make a longer order.
Hello, what would you like?
Can I have a medium latte, please?
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
With sugar?
No sugar, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a croissant, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please. Repeat slowly.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
With milk.
No sugar, please.
A croissant, please.
For here, please.
Excellent.
Now let's wait for the coffee.
Sometimes you wait in a coffee shop.
You can make small talk.
Listen. Is it busy today?
Is it busy today?
Repeat.
Is it busy today?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
Repeat.
Yes, a little. Nice.
Another simple sentence. The coffee smells good.
The coffee smells good.
Repeat.
The coffee smells good. Very natural English.
Now your order is ready.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Repeat slowly.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee.
Great job.
You can now order coffee in English.
From start to finish. Let's slow down again.
Take a breath.
You are learning real English.
English you can use today.
Now let's review everything you learned today.
Slow, clear, and easy English.
You are in a coffee shop.
You walk in.
Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Repeat. Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Now you order. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, what kind of coffee?
Repeat slowly. Can I have a coffee, please?
What kind of coffee?
Good. A latte, please.
What size?
Repeat. A latte, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
With milk?
Repeat. Medium, please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
With sugar?
Repeat. Yes, with milk.
With sugar?
No sugar, please.
Anything else?
Repeat. No sugar, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a croissant, please.
For here or to go?
Repeat. A croissant, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
That's all?
Repeat. For here, please.
That's all?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Now you wait.
You can say, the coffee smells good.
The coffee smells good.
Repeat. The coffee smells good.
Now your coffee is ready. Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee.
Repeat slowly.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee.
Great.
Now you finish and leave.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Repeat. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course.
Repeat. Can I have the bill, please?
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Repeat.
Have a nice day.
You too. Excellent work.
You just finished a full coffee shop conversation.
You ordered.
You answered questions.
You said thank you.
You spoke real English.
Remember,
You don't need perfect English.
you need simple English.
English you can use.
Listen again.
Repeat again.
Practice every day.
One coffee,
One sentence.
one step at a time.
You are doing great.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning with us.
This is Isabella.
And James.
Together,
See you next time.
bye-bye.